So here we go, Bulls Game Forex VIP group. Here's the signal. We post it, and here is the results. Okay. Once again, here you guys see boom 300 index and 500 is signal, and here is results. Boom 300 and the boom 500. Sell crash 300, and here you guys see buy boom 300 signal, and here you guys can see, and here you see we also notify them to hold the trade or close the trade, trade the trade, take profit, everything. Here you people see buy crash 300 signal, which is went in profit, sell crash 500 signal, and check out the chart. After holding a while, the crash 500 dropped heavy. Here one more trade of boom 300 posted here. Here one more trade of sell crash 300, the sniper trade which dropped here. Here one more trade you guys can see, sell crash 500 SL3 candle, and here is the drop scene. Here is sell crash 300 index, and here is the drop scene. Check it. Again, signal, sell crash 300 more, and here we go. Here the signal which first hit boom 300, and it made us good profit. Here you guys can see sniper trades. Crash 300 sell is went in deep down to downtown. Yes, check out the accuracy guys, which really matter, and we're making pips. Again one more signal, boom 500 index, and shoot it up. Here is sell crash 300 index signal, and look here, it bump. Sniper entry with accuracy. Check out. Here is the signal of buy boom 300, and after 3 candle it just pumped. All my investors are happy. Check out, stop the video and read it carefully. This is how we guide our guys, our followers, and take them step by step, and also guide them when to hold, when to close, when to set trail stop, when to close part, partial closing, each and everything. We don't let them just in and out. Check it. Stop the video and watch it. Let your mentor know this. The guy is making history in boom and crash trading. Look here, after 6 candle by boom 500, hard. It's mean rush on boom 500. And look here, the boom 500, just amazing. EMA boys by boom 500 and crash 300 also buy. Look here the signal. Check out. It's the power. Check out the accuracy, which really matter. Sell crash 300 signal immediately dropped. Look here on M1 time frame. There's no editing, recording live video from VIP group. Check out boom 1000, it just pumped after drop. Look here reaction. Hope people are happy following our bull game forex VIP. This is how actually we work. Now let me show you how we post like this sniper trade.